Hello friends, today I will show you how to access GoDaddy cPanel. So first of all, you need to the login. Click the drop down and click the sign in button. Then you can provide your credential like username and password. Then sign in. After login, you will see new interface like this one. All right. So you can go. You need to go to the manage my products. Then if you scroll down, then you will see the web hosting. Then you click the manage. Okay. Then you see the cPanel information like primary domain is the by default, and this is the login, then login password, and GoDaddy Analytics, PHP My Admin, File Manager. You can directly go from here, backups, FTP. Also, if you update your plan, then you can update from here, reset your account, and renew your billing system. All right. Now I will show you how to access GoDaddy cPanel. If you want to access GoDaddy cPanel, then you just click cPanel admin. All right. I'll just click here. After click, then it will be open the new tab, new interface. Actually, this is the GoDaddy cPanel interface. There are in lot of options. If you need anything else or anything change, then you can change from here. If you want to change the style, then you can go from here. Then you can, this is the by default theme, you can change the theme. All right. So that's it. Thank you for the watching, and please like this video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.